Hi, I'm Beth. Welcome to this mindfulness meditation. Today's meditation is going to explore the idea of creating your own luck. We're going to do that by searching for the pot of gold at the end of your rainbow. So this is a rainbow meditation. It's a visualization. We're going to lead you through the colors of the rainbow with the idea of maybe finding a little bit of gold, a little bit of luck at the end of that rainbow for you. Now, the colors of the rainbow nicely correspond to the chakra system. You don't have to know exactly what that is or even believe in it. It's thought to be energy centers that run up the base of the spine that correspond to different colors. So I'll be using that as a guide and taking you through this meditation. You can start by finding a comfortable seat, and that might be seated. It might be lying down. In fact, this is a really nice meditation since it is a visualization of the colors up your spine to do lying down. Get comfortable in a position where you can soften and yet still be alert and attentive to my voice. And then for this visualization, we are going to go on to the colors, the rainbow. First, I invite you, if you'd like, to set an intention of a small wish for yourself, a peak of that bit of gold that you'd like to find at the end of your rainbow. That might simply be how you'd like to feel at the end of this practice, to be a little more relaxed, a little calmer. It might be a wish for yourself of what you'd like to see in the day going forward or the next day. So as you're ready to begin the visualization, turn your attention inward, and your eyes can remain open or they can close as long as your focus, your attention, the direction that you place your mind goes inside. So we'll start by calling to mind a full rainbow, whatever that looks like for you. You can picture yourself outside in a place you've actually seen a rainbow in the past. You can stay seated or lying and imagine a rainbow in front of you wherever you are right now. However you imagine it, see this rainbow in all its glory, all of its colors, and imagine that that's directly in front of you, all the colors of the rainbow shining their light on you. And we'll follow the colors through the body. Start with the color red, feeling the sense of the color red in the area of the base of your spine. Go all the way down the tailbone, your pelvis. In that color red, feel a sense of security, stability. That is your grounding. Allow the color red to ground and connect you to your own roots. And then see the color start to rise up through your body into the area of the belly button, emerging as the color orange. Imagine the sense of orange as the center of your creativity, your sensuality, your curiosity. Imagine orange enveloping those pieces of yourself. And then that light, the colors of the rainbow, the yellow shines in the area of our sternum, our upper mid-ribs. Feel the sense of yellow light gather there as your source of power, strength, the courage that you have inside you. And then notice the light of the rainbow continue to rise up your spine, centering in the area of your chest. Your heart is the color green. This green embodies your own internal kindness, compassion, the love that you have. See that rainbow with you continuing up, centering on the area of your throat in the color blue. This blue embodies being able to speak your truth, to have a connection, to saying what you mean, to speaking up for yourself. And as you continue to rise, centering in the color of indigo right in the area of your third eye, or that's the area between our eyebrows. Feel the color indigo stabilizing in your sense of wisdom, knowledge, your inner insight that makes you the expert in you. And as we continue all the way up to the crown of your head, notice the color violet right at the crown. Feel as the color violet connects your higher consciousness. It observes and sees all of the other colors connected. All of the parts of you, the beautiful mosaic of you making one whole. And you can see that whole by stepping back and once again noticing all the colors of the rainbow, seeing that full rainbow before you. Or you might choose to blend the colors into an enveloping white light, a white light that shines down on your entire body. Again, feeling all of those qualities, all of the colors of the rainbow. Knowing that you absolutely have all of those qualities inside you. Some might manifest more strongly than others. Some might come to the surface at different times. And yet all form the rainbow that is you. Take a few more moments here. You might linger your attention on one particular area, one particular color that resonated with you. And if you do stop on an area, remember to return to that sense of the whole rainbow or the white light enveloping all. And you can allow your visualization, the rainbow or the white light, to remain but fade a little bit to the background. And as you become aware again of the chair you're sitting in or lying, the room that you're in, return your attention to the intention that you set at the start. What was your little bit of wish for yourself? Are you able to see more clearly a little piece of that wish, or were you able to attain a little piece of that wish as a result of doing this practice? Or do you have a sense of what your next steps are, moving you closer toward that wish? Going forward in the rest of your day or tomorrow, approaching it with the sense that internally, inside you, with all of your qualities, you have the ability to create your own luck, to find your own pot of gold at the end of your own rainbow. I thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I hope you found this visualization useful. Please feel free to comment below anything you'd like to see in these meditations, whether this was helpful. Subscribe to get notifications and check out some of the other meditations I have to offer as well. Thank you again and have a great rest of your day.